Hello, Assalamu alaikum. You particularly have heard of the famous Einstein's equation E is equal to mc square that gives a relation between mass and energy. And if we go deeper into that, uh, if you want to see an example of E is equal to mc square, uh, you can see an atomic blast in which the mass of uranium is converted into a considerable amount of energy so that it results in a big blast, I should say, particularly. Uh, but there is another example of E is equal to mc squared that we can also use like that, in which the energy is converted particularly into mass, or I should say, the light energy is converted into mass. For example, and the process is called pair production. And in this process, the light energy in the form of gamma rays, when hit with a heavy nucleus, it is converted into a pair of electron and positron. So, the main question that arises is why this happens? Why the light, which has zero static mass, converts into an electron that has mass, or I should say, into an electron and positron pair. So the answer is this happens because the electron strikes with the heavy nucleus of any heavy atom. The main reason is not the heavy nucleus. The main reason is that when the light travels, it produces electromagnetic waves, or I should say, temporarily, uh, or I should say, it creates temporary electron and positron pairs around itself, and when it is hit by a strong magnetic field, the temporary electron and positron pairs that only sustained for a short period of time, I should say minus 27 or minus 21 seconds, uh, come into existence and gain mass, or I should say the magnetic field give them considerable amount of energy that the whole gamma ray of 1.02 mega electron volt converts into a pair of electron and positron, and the surplus energy becomes their kinetic energy with which they are moving against each other to conserve the momentum. So thank you.